Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to take some trade with candlestick psychology. As you guys could see, we're going with the trend, okay? And we have a red-green pattern right here with a engulfing candle, which can give us a retracement, okay? So we're expecting the price to go down from right here. If you guys are interested, the platform registration link is in the description. And you guys could reach to me on Telegram, and I will give you guys a free strategy, a free money management, and a routine where you guys could improve your win rate in pocket option. So guys, don't be afraid to reach out to me on my Telegram, and I will reach back to you guys as soon as possible. As you guys could see, I'm going to take a buy trade here if this candle break this level. Right? We're going to take a buy trade. Okay, it's a little bit risky, so I wouldn't take a buy trade. But I'm going to use margin of safety. I want it to go below the level. Okay, right here. I'm going to take one trade for this one, guys, because it's a bit risky. But as you could see, we have a red-green pattern right here and another engulf. But we're going against the major trend, even though there's a little small trend here. I don't know what's going on there, but yes, this trade is very risky, guys. That's the reason why I took one trade for this one. But hopefully it wins. Let's see what's going to happen. What's going on? Oh, this wasn't on flag mode. Guys, I was supposed to win this trade already. I almost lost this trade. Oh my God. It's okay though, It's okay. Okay, guys. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, this is not really a good trade. I'm not going to take that trade. I already took a risky one previously, so I'm trying to find best trade possible. Okay, so this is a first touch, second touch, and a third touch, which breaks higher, right? And we're waiting for this candle to close. Um, let's see. So we need to combine reasons, guys. So we have common points of rejection right there also. Okay. So if this price came down, come down here. Okay. We're going in. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It came down so quickly. I love when common points of rejection, the price come down very quickly. It's just so satisfying because it becomes easier for me to enter a trade. You know what I mean? Versus when it's playing around, you can get FOMO and enter too early. So guys, as you could see, there was market sequence 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? We're breaking a third touch level plus common points of rejection. This trade was a winning trade. Again, guys, if you want free strategies, contact me down below in Telegram and I will give you guys a free strategy and a free money management and how to increase your money in pocket option. Beautiful. I'm gonna take this trade, guys, that I'm gonna explain. All right. So as you guys could see right here, there's a red green pattern, right? And we're officially in a third touch territory. You understand? Plus, there was a supply right here also, and we're breaking a ABC also, guys. Okay, guys, if you check the description down below and create a pocket option account, you will get 50% on your bonus plus a 50K demo account for free, which you could practice this strategy. And you guys could contact me on Telegram. I will give you guys a free strategy and free money management to increase your money in pocket option, guys. So don't be afraid to contact me on Telegram and I'll reach back out to you guys. Guys, this will be the end of my session today. I have done a fantastic job increasing my money because, guys, trading is very helpful in terms of financial wise. Like if you know a strategy would work very well, you guys could be so comfortable in life, you know what I mean? So don't be afraid to contact me on Telegram and I will give you a free strategy and a free money management. No cost. Okay? Contact me today. This will be the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I'm going to go about my day right now. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.